Hey YouTube, it's your girl Adrina. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Earth Breeze detergent sheets. So if you want to see my review, stick around and check it out. So I was sent a product to review which I never known anything about, and now that I know, I think it is going to be a part of my life for maybe the rest of my life. I was sent out some detergent sheets from a company called Earth Breeze. I was sent the fresh scent, which smells amazing. I can smell it through the pack. I can smell it through the pack before I opened it. And then we have fragrance free. Try not to put it too close because my camera keeps going dark, but there's fragrance free as well for people that don't like a strong fragrance. But this is not strong, harshly strong. But let me tell you guys a little bit about the product. It's laundry detergent. Basically, you don't have a big plastic container. It's more eco-friendly. You don't have the big plastic container of soap. When you go to the wash house, I think it is a sheet per load. It says that they're eco-friendly, easy to use, deep cleaning, and non-toxic. There is 30 sheets per package. I have 2 packages, so that is 60 sheets. It says easily dissolves, perfect for traveling, college, and home. Now it's 1 sheet per load, so what I wanted to do is wash it in my whites to make sure that it works. Some of the towels I just got done folding that I used the soap to wash with. Let me tell you guys, it works wonders. My whites are like totally clean. I'm in love with these because my white towels look amazing. I didn't have to carry the bulky soap to the wash house. I can actually store the soap in a small place. The pack is so like compressed. Is basically like the size of an envelope. I love the way it smells, and I have really sensitive skin, so every time I wash or if I use something new, I break out. So far washing with this, I haven't had any issues. I haven't broken out, and sometimes I don't like the strong scent, so I'm glad they sent me out a fragrance free one. I'm on their website right now. I want to make sure I'm not leaving anything out. Biodegradable cardboard packaging with no plastic. It is basically laundry detergent compressed into one little small eco-friendly sheet. You can use this with hot or cold water, which is nice to know. Some people like to wash their clothes in cold. I like to wash mine in hot just to make sure everything is extra clean. It is sensitive skin approved on their website, and I have to approve myself because I have sensitive skin. I'm allergic to everything. It's not a mess when you're pouring the big plastic container into the cap and getting the soap everywhere. You're overusing, you're overusing and underusing. With these, it's already measured out. So at my wash house, we might put our clothes in a 3-load washer because I have a lot of darks, so I might put all my darks in a 3-load washer. So in that 3-load washer, I would use 3 of these since 1 sheet equals 1 load. This smells so amazing. So this is just a regular bowl of water, tap water from out of the bathroom. It is kind of warm, and here's my Earth Breeze detergent sheet. Now let's see. It's already starting, as you can see. I just put it in there, and it's already starting to fall apart like if it's cotton candy, like when cotton candy gets wet. As you can see, it's definitely dissolving. See, it's basically no more. Now it has just turned into soap. I saw a little test they had on their website, or they had it going into water. Now it's starting to set up. I don't want to do too much, but you guys can see my hand smells amazing. That it basically dissolves right away. There is like a little soapy film, of course, because it's soap, and this is a little bowl of water. Imagine if it was in a washer inside of 1 load of clothes. It would, you know, it would be thin, it would disperse more. But basically, yeah, I'm loving this. So you guys make sure you check out Earth Breeze. This is totally cool. So it definitely passed the test in the Raglan household. I love my my clean laundry, my fresh linen. I'm sure everyone does. My husband and daughter, they have to have their white towels, so it definitely works on these. White towels get dirty really fast. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this soap for the long run. Let me know what you guys think of this down below in the comments. Definitely give it a try. Check out their website. I'll put the link down below. And any other information you need. I've been trying to do my research so I can give it to you guys 100. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed my show and tell on Earth Breeze. It is like a new way of washing clothes for me and my family. So hope you guys enjoyed my review, and until next time.